Hello everyone. So for today we're going to make a double book page pockets. I have my template right here. I did start making one on my own just because I wanted to see how it'd turn out. So I take 3 book pages. This is how I do it. You don't have to do it the same, but this is how I learned easily how to make these. You fold them in half. Each one in half. So, just like this. I try to keep them aligned to each other so then it's ready to go. Now, I recommend single pages. You don't have to, but that's my recommendation. And I take the time to fold them like this. So I'll be making 2 double book pages together. Line these up. Now that is to, I think, tight. So I folded it just the way I wanted it. And then this will be in back. Now, I've learned having doubled the pages, it's too thick. So in order to get that single thickness but still get 2 out of it, this is what I do. You, again, don't have to do it the same way I do, but this is how I come about getting double what I've made. Because they're both still pre-folded. And again, it's just easier that way for me, personally. So, there we go. Got 2 more. And then this final one, again, this is how I do it. You don't have to do it the same way I am. I find this the easiest way to get what I want to make these. So there we go. Each one has its own set, and again, this makes it simple and easy to make. So now we have 2 opposite way ones. Alright, now let's get to decorating this one, at least together. I like this roses, so that's what I'm going to use. This, again, I'll show you how I go about doing that when I'm done doing this. You can choose to collage them. I mean, it is your choice how you make these. I just find it easiest to do it this way. There we go. Ain't that beautiful? Oh. I love the look of that particular piece. Now, again, everybody's different on how they like the look of their pieces, but I like to align it accordingly. So, in order for me to know where to glue and everything, I'm just putting a line here. There. I know where I want it glued. Yeah, if you ever have a situation where you're unsure where the glue belongs and all that jazz, this is what I've found is the easiest way to make sure it's glued where you want it and how you want it glued. So there we go. This will go underneath it, so I'm not like overdoing it somehow. And then this last one is just going to get placed right on here. So I'm just going to glue this whole thing because it will give it a little bit of extra strength if we just fold over a bit of it. So we line this up. And then we fold this little dip in, and that again just gives it a little bit extra strength in that portion. Now we're going to glue it all together. And all I do is glue the 3 sides. And I keep the one side open. Same with this side. 3 sides. And keep the folded edge open. And if you have pieces that are like hanging off a little bit, you can take the time to trim them up if you'd like. Or you could easily just take a little bit of Distress ink and get them edges so they're not so noticeable. Or a little more cohesive with the rest of it. So, like that. Now it's time for decorating. Again, I have a mix of everything in here, so I'm just seeing what I have. I'm just having a bit of a play with it. So today I've been kind of having a down day, so I've been watching SVU just as a bit of a fun thing to watch here and there. And I am only gluing, well, actually this one I'm not gonna make into a pocket or a tuck or anything, but this Wizards Admit tickets I am going to glue as if it were a pocket. Just a little hidden pocket within it. I think that just adds a little bit of a charm. And also we have these its and bits and pieces that we made, and I'm thinking these in particular are cute little tickets that we handmade. Can just stick right in there to be within the journal. So I mean, yeah, these do come in handy. And because they're single-sided, they just fit perfectly as little tiny journaling spaces. Except I think I'm gonna skip out on that third one. I think it just needs two. So, yeah, that's how I make them. It's a simple little piece to make, but again, easy to make. Multiples of, obviously. Here I've been making multiples, and I'll probably keep on going with making multiples, but I am going to quickly show you how I go about on getting the triangles. This part I just trim part of it. That's all I do. Cut off a piece. It don't really matter what it looks like on that part. So, yeah. I mean, very easy journaling to do. Just and easy to make and mass make, which is part of the reason why I like this, is it's a mass making piece for all your old book pages. And I love old book page ideas. Don't know about you, but the old book page ideas are always fun to fiddle with. And I haven't been fiddling with my old book pages in a while, really. So, again, I'm just having a play. Hope you join me for this tutorial. You can pre-make a bunch of these and have them, again, come out. But I am going to have to let you go. I have a feeling there's something going on outside my apartment again, so we'll see you next time. Bye.